Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2017 Kia Rondo LX trim level, 7-passenger. Car comes with fog lights, alloy wheels, 2-liter engine, 6-speed transmission, and a whole bunch of other things we're going to talk about. This is going across the car, down the driver's side. Car comes in a beautiful silver color. Looking inside, we have power windows, locks and mirrors, an active eco, traction control, dash light control. Rondo only has 22,479 kilometers. Steering wheel has audio and cruise controls, as well as Bluetooth and other functions for the car. Inside we have Sirius XM radio, as well as AM FM. There'll be a 3-month trial subscription come with the car for you to try out the Sirius XM. Of course, we have climate control. Down below that, auxiliary and USB jacks and a couple of charging ports. And we have some heated front seats and an automatic transmission. Done up in a beautiful black cloth. Driver's seat is height adjustable. Second row seating, 60-40 split rear seats. Plenty of room back here for 3 passengers. Going a little bit further back of the car, we have 2 more seats to give us the full 7-passenger configuration. These seats are 50-50 split, so you can have them both up and carry people, or you can lay one down or the other, or both. And then if you lay down those center seats in the center row, you're going to have some more room to carry some stuff and just a few less people. So this absolutely gorgeous 2017 Kia Rondo LX trim level is available at West Coast Kia. We're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge. We're open Monday to Thursday, 9 to 9, Friday, Saturday, 9 to 6, Sundays and most holidays, 11 to 5. Come down and see us. The best way to make an informed decision about any car you're considering is to actually drive the car. Bring the family down, see how well everybody fits in this little Rondo. See how well a little Rondo fits into your family. Again, that's West Coast Kia in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge.